I love all the memories we've created this year. And so on this page, we are going to write down 10 of our memories of this year. The things we did, things we learned. Okay, so I want you to be thinking about 10 of the best things about first grade. First grade was a ball, top 10 things we did. Okay, so my first thought when I say really fun things that we got to do, I think about how we got to go to Discovery Gateway. Okay, and if you have other ideas, you can share any of the ideas you come up with. These are just my ideas. Okay, and I think about how we made ornaments and we got to sing and we went to the zoo. And we could keep going. So those are the first four I'm putting, and you can use those as well. I'm going to put singing for Christmas. Okay, and go ahead and think of other things you enjoyed about first grade. Okay, and I would love for you to read this to us later on Flipgrid. That would be a good place to do it. Okay, so I'm excited to hear what your memories are.